Okay, so my name is Ria Shukla, and I'll be talking about requirements 7, 8, 9, and 10. I'm going to share my screen and show the eclipse. Okay, so the code above is a Java Swing GUI of an implementation of a parking booking system. The GUI contains many fields such as a name field, a text field, email, date, start and end time, license plate number, spot name, and spot location. Additionally, there are many payment options available, such as debit, credit, mobile pay, Google Pay, and Apple Pay. The reason we have implemented all of these payment options earlier is because adding them in later may be difficult to do. So the GUI consists of a main JFrame window that contains a JPanel. The JPanel is divided into two smaller panels, one for the user input field and another for the payment options. The input fields are laid out using the null layout manager, which allows for precise control over the size of each of the components. So furthermore, each input field is represented by a JLabel and JText field, and with JLabel, you can have a descriptive label for the input fields. The payment options are represented by JRadio button components that are grouped together using the button group. The implementation of this code is improved by using the design pattern known as strategy pattern for the payment options. The current implementation of the payment options is tightly coupled to the GUI code, which would make it difficult to change it and modify payment options in the future, which is why we decided to have all the payment options from the beginning. By using the strategy pattern, the payment option can be encapsulated into separate classes that can be easily added, modified, or removed based on the need without affecting the GUI code. This would also improve the maintainability and extensibility of the code. And now I just want to run the code and show how it would look. Okay, so if I run this code, we would have a parking booking system GUI pop up, and you would implement the name. Not implement, but you would fill in the name, the email, start time, hours, minutes, AM, PM, end time, and the spot name, spot location, license plate, and date. We'd also have a confirm and cancel option on the side where you would select your payment method, and if you were to get stuck, you would press the help button in the bottom right corner. Furthermore, I just wanted to walk through the payment option classes. So here's the credit payment, debit payment, mobile payment, the payment context. And just to explain, the payment context is a class that uses the payment method interface to make the payments. And then finally, we have the payment method, which is just like a general class. Furthermore, this kind of covers our requirements 7, 8, 9, 10, which was to have each parking space with a unique identification number and details, including its location. Requirement 8, which is to book a parking space, clients would need to provide the license plate number, and it has to be valid, and the ability to edit, cancel, or change something about the booking, which we have as well. Requirement 9 is that clients can extend a parking time before the expiration, and requirement 10 is that clients can pay their parking fee via parking options using debit card, credit card, or mobile payment, which I have shown you just a second ago. So I hope this earns our full marks, and I really appreciate you taking time to look at our presentation. Thank you very much.